Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9149P. 30,000 miles on this Cherokee comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy-to-read gauges. With driver information system, along with customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning along with heated steering wheel and front seats, great for those cold winter days. Compass, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials and additional storage space under the front passenger seat. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.7-liter V6. A 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9149P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.